Once there was a little boy named Jacob who loved fire trucks.
Father.
His first words in the morning were,
Father.
the last thing he said before he went to bed was,
Father.
that's right, one day when he woke up, he was,
Father.
that's right, and the fire truck has one driver, 2 ladders, and what else does it have?
Tim.
10 boots.
Wood.
That's right. Then he drove around town with his sirens blaring. What did the sirens say? That's right. He raced down the road. He rescued a cat with his ladder. He put out a fire with his water hose.
Water. Oh.
That's right.
Oh.
And then he smelled something. He smelled pancakes. That's right. So the fire truck parked at the kitchen table, and Matt ate his breakfast. And then Jacob walked like a penguin.